The wireless mouse, wireless charging Miro 1, whatever. It has a scroll, it's also a button, silent click, silent. The scroll is noisy, but the interesting part is that you can charge it through micro USB, so it has a built-in battery. That's the receiver here. Okay, let's plug it in. There's already another one from another mouse, but that one is turned off. Yes, it's not working. There's the cursor. USB input, software installed. Okay, so Windows 7 already installed some program for it, and the LED of this one is pretty much invisible, so it has to be infrared. Let's power it on. There's the on-off switch. As you can see, nothing. Now something was visible, a pink light. But it's infrared, you cannot see it with your own eye, so the camera might see it. Okay, whatever, and it's working. So no drivers are needed, clicks are working, they are pretty silent. You can plug it in there and plug in that end there, and it will charge it. So the round side up, when it's plugged in, it has a blue LED inside. It's barely noticeable, so now it's charging, and you can use it while charging also. So when it's charging, it's a wired mouse. When the battery is fully charged, you can unplug it, and then it's a wireless mouse. Okay, it's the first use, and now it's a wireless mouse. Okay, that's this cute little mouse. You can get it in white and many other colors also. Built-in lithium battery. It's somewhere here. It's like an AA battery, something like that. And when it's inactive, after a while, I'm not sure, after let's say 5 minutes, the cursor will not move, and in that case you just need to click any of those buttons and the cursor will be active again. So it has a built-in power saving feature also. Okay, the other button is for making it faster. So now it's moving like so. And if I click that button, now it's faster. Slower, faster. Even faster. Maybe it has 3 speeds. So lower, I think that's the middle one, and that's the third one. So it has 3 speeds. That's it. When you don't need it, you can power it off, and that's it.